Hi, welcome to artscalifornia.net. As you can see, we're
Yes,
in. Rebecca, where are you? Okay.
I am. I'm working remotely from Lafayette, California.
Nice, nice, nice. The weather's down there is beautiful, I'm thinking.
It is gorgeous. Yeah,
Excellent, excellent. So, did you know that this month, the month of April, is the Arts, Culture, and Creativity Month?
I just heard.
Yeah, it sounds like pretty exciting. Um, so, this is put on by the California for the Arts. So they have a lot of activities going on this month, and they are advocating advocacy for the arts for this entire month. We got a couple of things that are going on, and we'll find out what is the ACCM, which is the Arts, Culture, and Creativity Month. Anyway, it was declared by the California Senate in 2019 that every April in California is to be recognized and celebrate the significant impact of the arts have in California. And the goal of the month-long campaign is to elevate public awareness of the value of the arts and the collective impact the arts bring to our communities and the state. So that sounds pretty cool.
I have always wondered what is meant by advocacy because it
Mhm.
honestly it sounds just a tiny bit boring.
It sounds like it can be boring to go
And
around the arts, 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 arts.
right, but it is important, and I'm going to give you my take on what advocacy for the arts is. And I think it just means that as artists, we should be aware of different legal things that are pending that would have an impact on our funding and grants and projects. And we should,
You mean things that are in the legislature?
right, things that are
Like,
in the legislature. And then we need to be active in writing letters to our legislators, and also if we happen to know our local government officials, to make sure we reach out to them and let them know how we feel. So that's all it is. It's actually more interesting than it sounds.
okay, great. One thing that maybe we could do it here at artscalifornia.net is to have a little open forum on what advocacy might mean. And maybe we might schedule that in a couple of weeks and invite people
Yeah,
to join our conversation. I think that
and
would be
share their success and failure stories too if they have them.
all right. Sounds good. Sounds good. So look for the logo, the ACCM logo on our website and our webcam stuff and wherever else we're going to publish. Advocacy, April, April for advocacy. Okay,
Yes.
great. Uh, there's another interesting. I got some events here, and one of the other one has to do with social media marketing. And I know you have a little bit to say about that.
Yeah, it looks pretty interesting. This is a workshop that's being offered by Blue Line Arts in Roseville, California. It's a Zoom meeting, so you don't have to be very local to go to the meeting. And it's specifically tailored for artists. I'm going to read you just an excerpt. You're an artist making work who's ready to finally use your social media accounts to help you show and sell your work. You've heard so many stories about how Instagram and Facebook are helping artists do impressive things, and you're ready to figure it out for yourself. This workshop will help. There is a fee for the workshop. First of all, the date of the workshop is Wednesday, April 28th, 12 to 2 p.m. That's noon to 2 p.m. There is a fee for the workshop. It is, where is it?
$45.
$45 for non-members, or you can become a member for as low as $72 and for free, and take this workshop and learn about the other benefits at Blue Line Arts. We'll post
And
that website, bluelinearts.org.
bluelinearts.org. Yep, that'll be in the comments down below. And the next one we have, this has to do with the youth and student program. They're calling for artists. This is put on by the Rockland Fine Arts. It invites grades 1 through 12 Placer County students to join in this online show. You can enter online at www.rocklandfinearts.org, And the deadline is Monday, April 12th. It's free, and the student art will be judged by Anthony Mackey-Gill, and awards given at all grade levels, it looks like.
That's exciting.
Yeah, and there's also a scholarship program. There's a $1,000 scholarship program put on by the Rockland Fine Arts people too. And but the deadline for that is Thursday, April 8th. So get off your couch and start submitting to get your scholarships for your programs. Hey, anything you might like to add about that?
Oh, art scholarships are great. They can really give an art career a boost in the right direction.
Excellent, yeah. Excellent. And here's an interesting one. This is going to be the architecture of light. It's a watercolor workshop with Thomas W. Schaller. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And it's put on by the Arts Center of Morro Bay.
Great things there.
Yeah, it looks like it's a 2-day event, or it could be a 3-day event. Friday, the 16th through April 18th. It goes from 9 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon. And I'm going to read a little bit here. It says, this workshop is appropriate for all skill levels. Students are also welcome to use other mediums for this workshop. Discovery is why it's better to be less concerned with technical expertise and more about inspiration and observation. That's the architecture of light. And the cost is $310 for non-members. And
you better be serious.
Yes, it's for serious artists. And if you're a member of the MBAA, I think it's the Morro Bay Art Association, it's $250. And it's online via Zoom. So get in there and find out about the architecture of light, how to paint with light.
And I might add that our website calendar listing for that event includes a really beautiful little accelerated video. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very enticing. Yeah.
Great. And the last event that I'd like to talk about here is the Urban Landscape Watercolor Demonstration. It looks like we have a couple of watercolorists going on here. And this is Monday, April 12th. This is also virtual. It starts at 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. and it's free. It's put on by the El Cerrito Art Association, and it will host painter David Saviano. I can't pronounce that. Saviano. There we go. Nice. Yeah. Saviano. Okay. And you can go to register at elcerritoart.org. That's ELCERRITOART.org. It says come 10 minutes early so the meeting can begin on time. And it's free and open to the public. Anybody can come and learn how to become a watercolorist. Great. Cool. Anything else you'd like to talk about?
No.
No, I think we're done. This looks like a quick meeting here, and we'll be back in the studio next week, I believe.
Yep. I sure will.
Okay, good. So, and I'm going to leave you from Arts California land.
All right.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Whoa, one more. Oh, yeah, you have to say your thing.
I have to say my thing. So, yes, if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't be afraid to subscribe and share our video. Visit us at artsca.net. Thanks.
Perfect. Bye-bye.